Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix headset microphone not working in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is we need to open our settings. Now to open that quickly, press Windows and I key together in your keyboard. And with that moment, you have just successfully opened your settings. Okay, here you need to proceed to privacy and security, which you can see at the left side of your screen next to accessibility. Click on it and here scroll down and look for microphone. Once you have found it, simply tap it to open. And here in the microphone access, make sure that it is enabled and turned on and might as well all of these options here. Okay, so once done, check if your headset microphone is now working. Okay, and let's see if it doesn't, then let's proceed to the second step, which is at the bottom search bar, search for control panel, then proceed to the best match, double tap to open. Once you have opened your control panel window, if your window doesn't look like this, go for view by and change it into large icons. Once done, look for sound. Once you have found it, simply tap it to proceed. Okay, so here in the sound window, you need to check the speakers. How? Click on properties and make sure that device usage is enabled. If not, choose this use this device enable, apply and OK. Once done, proceed to the recording and check if the microphone as well is enabled under the device usage. If not, select it, apply and OK. So once this second process is done, check if your microphone in your headset is now working. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's proceed to the third step, which is a start icon to or right click and proceed to device manager. Here in the device manager, you need to look for audio inputs and outputs. Expand it first to see it clearly. Here I can see the audio inputs and outputs. Click this forward arrow and then go with microphone. Here you need to select the microphone that you are using. Okay, so do a right click and this time you need to go with an uninstall device. I will not click on this because I'm using my microphone right now. In your case, you have to uninstall that. Anyway, once you have uninstalled that, click this action and go for scan for hardware changes. So in that manner, your microphone will be installed automatically again. Okay, so just have to close this window and restart your computer and check if your headset microphone is now working perfectly fine. Okay, and let's say if it doesn't, then let's move on to the fourth step, which is at the start icon at the window search bar, search for settings. So the moment you have typed it, click on open to continue. Here we need to run the troubleshooters. Okay, so how we can do that at the system, click on it, which is next to the home tab, and then scroll down and look for troubleshoot. I can see here next to activation. Tap it and go with the third options, which is other troubleshooters. And here, aligning the audio, go with run. So mostly when you run the troubleshooters in your audio, your problem or your issue will be fixed. Okay, just have to wait until the process is done and then restart your computer and check if your headset mic is now working. And let's say if it doesn't again, then let's proceed to the next step, which is at the start icon, do a right click and this time go with device manager once again. Click on it, and here in the device manager we need to update the driver. How we can do that, select the audio inputs and outputs. Click this forward icon again and go with microphone again and then do a right click and go with update driver. Here you need to select the automatically search for drivers first, and then if your device says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then proceed to search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Okay, this will take some time depending on the network connection that you are connected to. Once done, restart your computer. Okay, so once you have restarted your computer, check if your headset mic is now working. Unless if it doesn't, then go back here in the device manager window and select once again the microphone, do a right click and go for update driver. And here we need to proceed to manually search for drivers and go with let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. Simply click it once again and click on here. You need to identify or try out one by one the driver that you have here and check if what will work for you. Okay? So just check one by one, try out one by one, and then check again if what will work for you. Okay? So once done, restart your computer and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? And let's see if it doesn't, then let's move on to the very important step, which is at the start icon. I mean, here at the bottom search bar, type Task Manager. Okay. So here, the best match, click on Open to continue or double tap to open. Okay. So here, the Task Manager window, you need to click this Run New Task at the right side of your screen. And then here in this Create New Task, you need to input the command here. Sorry, I'll be pasting this in the description box below. So don't worry. Okay, so Control C to copy, or you can simply pause this video and take a note of this command. Once done pasting, click on Create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. So here in this new window, you need to type, okay, ch key ds key space ds key, then click enter. Okay, no space, sorry. Ch key ds key, then click on enter to next to proceed. Just have to wait until the process is done. So this will take 3 to 5 minutes or less than that. Okay, so that once done, proceed on typing this command, which is gp update. Okay, so gp update, then click enter. Okay, so now it is updating the policy. So once the computer policy update has completed successfully, then simply close this window and you need to restart your computer and check if your headset microphone is now working. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this steps help to fix your problem. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.